Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. My name is Oma's Diary. On today's video, we are going to be making some creamy spaghetti with some vegetables for dinner. You can use it for lunch or breakfast as well. It's fine. For this recipe, these are the vegetables I will be using. I have 2 carrots, red paprika, green paprika, and yellow paprika, a big white onions, 1 crushed bonnet pepper, and these are the vegetables I will be using. I don't know if I'm going to be using all the paprika, but we'll see. A big shout out to all my old and new subscribers. You all are just amazing. Thank you so much. To my new subscribers, I so much appreciate you all. For the past 1 month, people have really shown me love. They have subscribed to my channel and I am so grateful for that. Thank you so much. I appreciate your love. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it to any loved ones of yours. I will sure appreciate that. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate. This is the outcome of our chopped vegetables. In a dry pot, I added some cooking oil. Feel free to use any cooking oil that works for you, is fine. I added some chopped and scratched bonnet pepper. I give that a nice stir for a few minutes. In a bowl here, I have some seasoning chicken breast, which I season with some thyme, dried garlic powder, ginger powder, some seasoning cube, salt to taste, and excusing some lemon juice. You can skip that if you don't want it, it's fine. I give that a stir as well for a few minutes. I added some Maggi cube. I am so sorry I didn't show you. I added some chopped pork meat to it. You can see it there, but skip it if you don't want it. My kids love it, so I just decided to add it to it. I added another garlic powder and some ginger powder. If you are not a lover of ginger or garlic, skip it, is fine. Use any seasoning that works for you or that your family love. At this stage, I added my chopped vegetables and I give that a nice stir as well, just to combine everything together. I come back to check and I give it a nice stir again. At this stage, I cover it and I reduce my gas to a low temperature, and in a pot here I have my hot water, my boiled water. I added some salt, some vegetable oil, and I added my spaghetti. I come back to check our vegetables. This is like the outcome of our vegetables. I give that a stir and I think our spaghetti is ready to go in. I taste for salt. I needed to add salt and some cooking cream just to make the spaghetti so creamy. Use any cooking cream that works for you or that works for your family. We have different cooking cream in the supermarket, so use the one that works for you, that your family loves. So I use the one I use our favorite cooking cream. I added my spaghetti and I give that a nice stir just to combine everything together. You can see how beautiful and colorful this spaghetti is coming out. I cover it and leave it to cook for few minutes, like 5 minutes or 6 minutes. This is the outcome of our spaghetti. This was so yummy. We enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it out to your loved ones. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments on the comment section. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you for your love. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. I so much appreciate you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.